Baby, I got something to say.
What's up, y'all? I know it's been almost 2 years since I've been on YouTube, but I'm back and I'll be dropping more videos for y'all. I done had a little baby and everything, but I've been gone for a minute. But so today I really wanted to get into doing this glueless wig install because my clients, y'all get the saying y'all know how to do it. I told y'all I was gonna make y'all a video, show y'all how to install a closure wig and make it glueless. So okay, that's what we're gonna be getting into today. So I got this wig at my closet. I didn't brush it, I didn't do nothing to it. All I did was clean the lace because the last time I put it on, it was a little dirty. So yes, let's get into this video, you guys. And make sure y'all subscribe to my channel so y'all know every time I drop a video. So let's get into this wig, y'all. Okay, so the first step to lay any wig down is to do the ball cap method. But me, I said y'all, it really don't matter when you're doing the glueless wig. I don't do the ball cap method with it at all, like at all. So we're gonna use some of my gel. As y'all know, these are my labels, baby. I don't know. I don't put labels on my stuff, y'all. I mean, it's for me. So we're gonna lay these edges down with my gel. And then I'm gonna just show y'all how I do my cap while we're doing the glueless method. Like, I do not do all that. It's no point. It's no point. It's no point to me. So we're gonna get some of this glue. I said glue. I meant gel, y'all. Get some of this gel. Put it on my edges. Just brush back, y'all. Really brush back. Brush back. So this is just some basic gel. You can use the GOT2Be glue gel, you know, or you could just order from me, you know, whichever one you want to do. Order from me. I would prefer that one, you know, black on business. Okay, so y'all see my edges laying back. So I have 2 braids in my head. Just make sure that part right there is laying flat. We gotta get that flat like that, okay? Okay, right there, y'all, right there, right there. And I'm gonna spray a little of my melt spray over it just to hold the cap where it's supposed to be. So my melting spray. I told y'all with these labels, I just throw the shit on there, shake it up. One thing about it, I get happy when it comes to spraying. So we're gonna let that dry. Okay, y'all, so after letting it dry, we about to, you know, see what the wig working with. Let's see, y'all. Don't talk about my wig. I'm just wishing y'all, this is actually a good ass wig. It's just that I throw my wigs in the closet. This is what I do. So at this point, I'm just applying bands in the back. I like to do mine in a crisscross. So at this point, and it's also HD lace. I like to say that you can tell HD lace from any other lace because HD lace always leave like little spikes at the end that you can cut or not. I don't cut them unless they like it's not looking right. Okay, so okay, come on. For real. Let's get into the wig. Oh, okay, Cleopatra. Okay, all right, okay. Okay. It's okay. Trust the process. Trust the process, yeah. But just trust the process. so I'm really feeling like, you know, Cleopatra right now, but give it a minute. Give me a minute, y'all. Let's work through it first. Okay, so let's make sure the middle part is the middle part. Okay. Middle part is the middle part. Hold on, yeah, I gotta look in my mirror right here. Just to make sure a middle part is a middle part. Okay. So the middle part looking like a middle part. Okay, yeah. So I have my hot comb. It goes up to 450. So let's see. I be complaining about my clients jumping at this part, but I hate this part too, y'all. Let's get it as flat as we can get it. As flat as we can get it. I like the lid on there a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Oh, okay. Housewife. Okay, so this is lace right here. That's why I like HD lace though. Y'all see it? Like, whew. Okay. So this is before we do anything to it. So y'all see I have it skin tight. Like, when you want to do the glueless method, make sure that the back is crisscross, skin tight. Like, this skin tight, y'all. You see what I'm saying? And it's not glued, but it's skin tight. Like, I love it. So at this point, when we're doing the glueless, I say it lasts. It could last about 2 to 3 days with the glueless, but I mean, not gluing your lace make your lace last longer, way longer. Okay, so at this point, it's time to just, you know, attach this lace with get you some melting spray. I no longer use GOT2Be glue spray because it started leaving like marks on my face and stuff. I don't know if I was spraying too much or what, but a lot of my clients have been having an allergic reaction to the GOT2Be glue spray, so I stopped using it. Okay, so boom, let's move to the baby hair. Let's get to that part. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Let's get with laying the baby hair. Because with the glueless method, you just really got to make sure it's laying in the back of the wig, you know, and have it skin tight. That's it. And I prefer HD or transparent lace when it comes to laying a glueless wig. Please, HD or transparent when it comes to laying a glueless wig. Okay, so boom. We already have it in the middle. It's already in the middle. So basically, I just have to, I already have these baby hairs pre-cut. I like the hot combing bit. Not the baby hair, y'all. Just the extra hair. Hot combing bit. It looks like I'm gonna have to put some wood. Okay. Which is cool. I love to have the baby hair right there in the middle. And we got some right there. Yeah, we're gonna have to put some of this shit. I don't know what I was thinking with all this baby hair. Yeah. I'm gonna have to cut some of this shit. This shit too much. Y'all can't can't believe I ain't been on YouTube in 2 years. 2 years. With my talk so bad. Because I could have just did a voiceover. But I talk so much. I really need somebody to talk to. So I'm talking, yeah. At this point, I'm just using a razor from Beauty Supply to just, I don't cut them with scissors. I want to do some soft hair, soft baby hair, but this shit, soft baby hair do not last longer than hard baby hair. I don't care what nobody told you. Okay, yeah, so my phone actually ended up dying, so I did do one baby hair off camera. I'm not even sure if it caught that footage, but like I said, I'm not using my little curlers to curl my baby hair. Like at this point, I gotta show y'all how to install it. Yeah, I burn myself. I can't remember myself. Grab some of the gel. Ooh, be cool in the feet. Okay. Just back hair is so easy, y'all. I'm gonna make sure this back, y'all. Right there. I like to use the end of my comb. I really could put more baby hair. Yeah, we're gonna put a little more baby hair. Okay, so just swirl your comb. Yeah, there we go. And I like to use my flow jar. Okay, yeah, so I blow dry that in that side. So we're gonna get the gel again and do the last side. I love this little gel, y'all. Just apply where you want the baby hair. Make sure you always apply it back like that too. So you can just let it fall back. And we're gonna move the hair forward like that. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Kind of flipped it. Doing it too long. That's why I love HD lace.
So just go over it again with the hot comb.
Okay, so after laying the baby hairs, use a melt band. This is my melt band. You can get these available on my website. So we're gonna put the hair in a ponytail. So you can either spray it with some GOT2Be glue spray, but I prefer you to get a melting spray when trying to do a wig glueless. Rub it in. Then get your melt band. Okay, so while it's still drying, go ahead and curl it. I normally use a wide tooth comb to comb my curls, but I couldn't find my wide tooth comb. So at this point, I'm just showing you the spray that I use to hold my curls and to lay my lace without having to glue the lace down. So I'm just showing you how tough it is to come up with just the spray and using a gel to lay your baby hair down instead of using mousse. So this would be the finished product. Just comment through it to show you guys the finished product of it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.